back to the channel, everybody, and today's video is a Disney dog swap with like a ton of different channels. I'm going to scroll all of the channel names right now. Everybody that is involved in this swap. It was a swap for our pets and also for the pet lover as well. So this is my box and I don't know who it's from. So we're going to open it up and see who it's from. And I'm not going to show the outside just because I want to hide addresses. Alright, so first off, it's Dante. Can you see it? From Coco. So cute. Anyways, on the inside, it says Nasia and Loki. She's taking a nap right here, if you can see her. I hope you enjoy your box. These are treats for all. The treats from Petco reminded me of the Jungle Cruise. Have a magical day, April, from Disney Mom of 2. Thank you, April. All right, so we're gonna dig into this box. What you think, Lo? Huh? Can I get you excited? She is feeling kind of lazy. Loki! Let's see what's in the box. Looky, it's for you. What's in here? Do you smell it? Now she's starting to smell stuff. What's in here? Come on. All right, let's see what's this. I think these are doggy treats. Ooh, what do you think? What do you think? What are they? Oh, buddy. Oh, looky, looky. What is that? What's that? Is it dog treats? She's sort of interested, but she's sort of like, kind of like, I'm taking my nap. Well, I'm gonna see if I can get her to pop up. Hey, you want a treat? Look, you want a treat? Goober. Here you go. Loki! Want a treat? Want a treat? Can you stop? Can you sit up? Say thank you for my treats. What do you think? Oh! Lost it. Want a treat? Good boy. She's so big. So good. No? We'll try later. Loki. Hey, here you go. There you go. And we have success. Alright. Anyway, moving on. Let's see. Oh, this is so cute. Oh, and it even has my channel name on it. That is amazing. It's a little canvas bag and it's got 0 on it and it says Lost Girl in Tomorrowland. What? That's awesome. Thank you. That is super cool. Oh, look at the toys. Look at the toys. Oh, more treats. All right, I'm gonna open the treats in a second. It's got a squeaker. She's slowly becoming more interested in this box. You want the squeaker? You like tennis balls. What do you think? Was the treat good? You finishing it now? What do you think? All right, I will open these in a second. I need scissors. Unless somebody wants to grab me scissors. Where are you going? You want to see what else is in the box? She finally is interested in the box. No she's going back for the treat. What do you think? What do you think? Let's see, what's in here? What's this? Ooh, it's a Jack Skellington and Hero, or Zero, why did I say Hero? And Superwoman. This looks so cool. What do you think? Ooh, Loki. Look at that, guys. Jack Skellington and his dog Zero. What? So cute. What do you think? I think it's cute. I know, you just want more treats. You want another treat? Another treat? That's what I thought. No? Put it out. You're a goob. You're a goober. Let's see what's in this last one. Oh, look. Treats for me. And treats for you. Yeah, you got treats. So good. Well, I just want to say huge thank you to April at Disney Mom of 2, and Loki says thank you as well, right? Hey, can we say hi? Can we say hi? Oh, yep, she's going for the treats. There we go. Yeah, let's check it. Loki. Anyways, again, huge thank you to April at Disney Mom of 2. Make sure you guys check out her channel. Everybody is posting their videos today all at the same time, so make sure you check out all of the other channels. I will have them listed in the comments below, and I will also do a montage, like flash over, with all of their channel names. So make sure you guys check out each and every one of them. Let them know what you thought of each box. Let them know what you thought of everybody else's box. How did we do? And I will see you guys in the next video. Loki's going to Chow Town. So again, huge thank you, and we'll see you guys in the next video.